Where have you been? We missed you on that last adventure again.
I'm in here, and I'm doing okay. I'm sure that I would have just gotten away.
But what do you mean? You're part of the team.
No, I can see that you don't need me.
You know that's not true.
I don't deserve you, now please go away.
Not until I say that you're the mom friend. You're the one we call when someone takes a fall, and you're there to ask us if we're okay. 'Cause you're a true friend. I rely on you, and deciding what to do, then I think it's time. I think you did